Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your ESPN Plus account. Whether you're trying to catch the latest game or stream your favorite sports content, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the ESPN Plus website. You can do this by typing espn.com and hitting enter. Once you're in the ESPN homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to the login page. There you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your ESPN Plus account. Go ahead and type in your email address first. Next, enter your password. Make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credential, click on the login page. If you've entered the correct details, you'll be logged in into your ESPN Plus account and redirected to the homepage where you can start enjoying your favorite sports content. And that's it. You're now logged in into your ESPN Plus account.